Hey guys, welcome to our channel Lavisha
Lavisha
Sisters.
Sisters.
I'm Lavina
And I'm Alicia.
and today we are going to do Guess the Vegetable challenge. So in this challenge we will be blindfolded turn by turn. We have brought 5 vegetables for each other and we have no clue what 5 vegetables we have brought for each other.
So without wasting any time, let's get started.
So first Alicia will be blindfolded. So now Alicia is blindfolded and this is my first vegetable. Take. How's it? Guess.
I think. Wait. What
think
is this?
You guess.
I have eaten this.
Obviously.
Raw also I have eaten. But
Raw you have eaten. Are you gone mad?
no, I have eaten it raw.
You have not eaten it raw.
Bottle gourd?
I don't know.
I think this is bottle gourd. Is it?
I don't know.
But this is only my answer.
Fix?
Yes, this is bottle gourd.
No, you're wrong.
Then?
So you're obviously wrong. It is called as big cucumber, which is also known as yellow cucumber.
Okay.
And you have never eaten it raw.
No, I have eaten this raw.
Okay. So now this is my second vegetable, which is one of your very favorite.
What is it? My favorite?
Yes. I'll peel off the skin and give you. Otherwise you won't like it. Think.
Small. This is ginger.
You didn't taste it only, you just.
I tasted this is very
you
spicy. I can make out. This is ginger.
So here comes my third vegetable.
The one before this was not at all my favorite, okay?
I know it.
Which you said was my favorite.
Think.
What is this now? This is capsicum.
Right. So here comes my fourth vegetable. Take. Don't take the knife, man. This is my also favorite.
I know this. This is tomato.
No, wrong.
This is tomato.
No, you're wrong. But
I
I'm
am
telling
correct.
you wrong. No,
I know the taste of tomato.
but you are wrong.
No, this is tomato only.
Okay, you're right. So here comes my fifth vegetable. And I'm gonna feed you this.
No, I
Yes.
give it my hand.
No.
Give it to me.
No, I'm gonna feed you.
No, no.
This is
No,
tasty.
no, no, no,
This
no,
is
no, no,
literally-
no, no.
अरे just
No,
wait.
no,
अरे
no.
wait ना.
No, I'll eat it with
अच्छा
my hand.
okay, open your mouth. Just take a
No,
small
no.
bite. I wanna feed you. I said na. Open. Arey? Open it. Fine.
No.
Okay, take a small.
But you can give it to me.
Chili?
Oh my god.
You didn't put in your mouth also.
Take, put.
No thanks. This is not green chili.
This is green chili.
This is not green chili. No.
Red chili. But this is a chili.
Okay. Right. But first you was wrong. Unfortunately, Alisha got 4 correct out of 5. Don't be so happy. I'll guess all 5 right.
That's not possible.
Okay, let's see.
So now Lavina will be blindfolded.
Stop.
So this is the first vegetable. Give you a small piece.
What are you gonna feed me? I gave you such nice vegetables. Hope you also brought for me the same.
Yeah, this is good. You can't smell it, just taste. You have to taste and tell. So, what is it?
Bottle guard.
Correct. So this is the second thing.
You can tell the name, no problem.
The problem is that I can't tell the name. That is only the big problem.
This is a garden leaf or what?
Yes. Eat. Good for your health.
So it must be good for your health also. Take. You can taste.
No, you have to taste.
This is that
Water.
what?
What?
Kadi patta.
Yes. This is our third vegetable. I'll give you the whole thing. No, you'll come to know. Take.
No problem. You didn't got vegetables or what?
No.
You are bringing different kinds of shapes of leaves from
This
garden.
is the vegetable.
This is that.
What?
This is that. Arey, that
What
ray.
ray?
Kanda bhaji. That leaf, kanda bhaji ka leaf.
Spring onion.
हाँ, spring onion.
This is our fourth thing. Give you a small piece.
You can give me full.
No. Come, take. I think you will be able to guess. You'll be able to guess it. Very easy.
What ray?
At least take a bite. Why are you getting scared?
Oh my god. It's spicy.
Ha, that is spicy. It is naturally spicy.
I've eaten this ray.
I know.
Arey, what is this? Wait, I'm not recollecting.
No, now I'll only tell what is it. You're not taking a bite also. How you'll come to know?
I took a bite. Wait.
God, so much you're getting scared. This is not ginger like how you gave me.
Arey, give me some other piece, ray.
Why other piece you want? Give it.
I know the taste.
But you can't recognize. This is very easy.
I know, but
Okay, take another piece. Both the pieces are same only. Keep it you only. Take. This is so simple. Come on, guess it fast.
Arey, what is this? This.
What is?
Carrot. my
Carrot,
God.
carrot.
So
My
much
God,
time.
I forgot carrot.
Okay.
This is carrot. So this is the last vegetable. I've not taken it full, but small piece of it. Take. Wait, I'll give you a small piece. Take.
Go in the
First
garden.
you'll make experiments with it, then you'll smell, and then you'll take. Still you'll not be able to take it. What are you doing?
Palak.
Palak.
No. Wait. I think you gave me a leaf of garden.
So this is the final answer.
No, no. Arey, this I know, re, but
You know. But you know.
this re. I don't know the name.
But you know the taste. But you also have to know the
Chawli
name. I know you always only eat without knowing the name.
Chawli.
Chowli?
And
It is not chowli. At least taste. What are you doing?
bitter re.
Bitter. Should not be bitter.
No, it's sweet. Take.
Okay, okay. Okay, say. Come on, pass.
This is that.
That. What that?
Wait.
Wait.
I said
Yeah. So when I'm waiting only.
Kadi patta. What?
No.
Kadi patta. Finish. धनिया.
Dhania.
कोथमीर.
Kothmeer. You can't say all the names. You have to guess. You have to tell only
Hey, this
one.
is kothmeer only. Wait. No, pass.
But this is dried chili.
So it was not.
It was dried chili.
It wasn't spicy.
Because it is dried.
The dried chilies are not.
They are not
spicy.
so spicy.
So what I did? Felt a bit also.
That's why I gave you this. So that you were not able to like it. So it's a tie between both of us. Lavina has also got 4 points and I have also 4 points with me. So it's a tie.
It's a tally. Commerce students will understand.
Okay.
You are a science student.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video as we did. So if you enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye.
Bye.